everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to remove app data from your iPhone. First things first, head to your settings. Once you've opened your settings, just simply scroll down to find General. After that, proceed by pressing General and it will show you the General page. Once you're here, what you want to do next is to press iPhone Storage. Then, you can see all of your applications, and by pressing any of these applications, you can view their app data. So from here, select the app of your choice to delete its data. Then from here, you can now see the details of this application's data. So, what you want to do now is press Upload the app. And after that, tap Reinstall. And that process will delete all your app data. And that's it! You can now remove app data from your iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!